你们好，我是 Kate. Hello, it's Kate from 中文十分钟. Happy to see you all in my class. I know it's hard to prepare for an exam, especially a language exam like 汉语水平考试 HSK. But don't worry, I'm gonna help you out during your preparation for it. Wish you all good luck. Now let's start from lesson 1. 你好. First, we will look at some situational communication and watch some videos. Hope you can enjoy.
你好，你好，
你好 ，Hello。
We know that in English, when we want to greet somebody, we usually say hello. But in Chinese, if we want to greet someone, we usually say 你好. Next video.
您好，你好。您 is an honorific address, showing respect for each other. 你 is a common address used in the peer.
You might notice that it's also about greeting manner, but compared with the first video, I used 您 to take place of 你好. That is because when we greet seniors, no matter in our family or in our profession, we don't just say 你好 to greet them, we say 您好 to show our respect for them. The last video.
对不起，没关系。
In Chinese, if you want to apologize to somebody, you say 对不起. That means I'm so sorry. And if you want to forgive somebody, you say 没关系. That means it's okay, it's alright, no problem. And I have collected all the text from the videos so as to help you to read them. Now you can listen to me or read with me. Number 1. 你好, hello. 你好, hi. And then 您好. Be careful, 您 is used when we greet seniors. How do you do? 你们好, hello. And you can see the Chinese character marked in red here. 你们, it is a plural form of you. Next, 对不起, I'm sorry. 没关系, that's okay. Next, let's study tones. Here is an English phonetic symbol, ah. And here are 4 tones. First, second, third, and fourth tone. And now let me try to pronounce this English phonetic with 4 tones. Let me start from left to right, to the right. Ah, 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 ah. Now let me add a consonant before this phonetic. Ma, 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 ma. Nice. So you have learned 4 tones in Chinese pinyin. Next, I want to take more challenges. That is Chinese pinyin. Here is a graph of initials of Chinese pinyin. Now you can listen to me and look at my mouth. Bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, g, k, h, ji, qi, xi. Do you know how to pronounce them now? Okay, here is a graph of English consonants. And compared with the first graph, I found out a rule that except for three initials GTC, which I have marked in yellow, the pronunciation of the other initials in Chinese pinyin is similar to that of English consonants. So let me take an example to explain. Like the first one, the first initial bo, you can just pronounce it like b. It won't affect your correct pronunciation of Chinese pinyin too much, so don't worry. And next, these are finals of Chinese pinyin. Just like when we start to study English pronunciation, we have to study 5 English vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U, if I could still remember. And here are 6 basic finals of Chinese pinyin. They are A, O, E, U, U. Okay. The second row, you can see that this final is made up of 2 basic finals. So if we want to pronounce this kind of finals, we firstly need to pronounce R and then quickly move to the next final. Or let me show you how to do that. Ow, ow, speed up, ow. So that's it. Ow, ow, ow. Next, next. 一耶 wu o wo 约 the third row 一凹腰一啊呀 wu a wa. Okay, next graph. I a way and put them together. Wu I Y Wu A way. Great. Okay, we have started tones, initials, and finals of Chinese pinyin, but they are now just like Lego blocks. It's still a bit far from our ideal results, the ideal destination. So we are gonna put these elements together and construct Chinese syllables or Chinese pinyin. Usually, a Chinese character corresponds to one syllable, and a Chinese syllable is made up of one final, one initial, and one tone. But sometimes the initial is omitted in a Chinese syllable, but the final and the tone are must. Now we can try to spell some Chinese syllables. Look at the second row. The initial is M, the final is ao, ao, and the tone is the first tone, ao. Okay, now let's put them together. Mo ao, mao. Yes. Next one. Initial G, final ye, ye, tone, the third tone, ye. Put them together, jie, jie. Great. And these are keywords that you are suggested to know how to read, how to write, and how to translate them, because they will be definitely in your exam. Now you can listen to me and read with me. 你 you 您 you 你们 you 好 good 对不起 I'm sorry 没关系. That's okay. Very good. So now let's conclude what we have learned today. Today we know how to greet people in Chinese, know how to read Chinese syllables, and also learn some Chinese characters. In our last part, keywords. And now I would like to invite you to appreciate some Chinese calligraphy. You can see on the left picture, it is written with pen, and on the right picture, it is written with brush and ink. So if you are interested in Chinese calligraphy, you could try both ways, but the first method, it might be easier for you to operate. So that's all for today. Thank you all. See you next time. If you like us, please like us and subscribe to our channel. This is Kate from 中文10分钟. Bye bye. 再见.